Hi, my name is Darveen. Today, me and my teammates are going to present PBT2 Python programming. So the question for PBT is: we are required to develop a classroom equipment booking system using Python with Tkinter for GUI and MySQL using XAMPP as the backend database. The system should allow teachers to book classroom equipment for specific time slot and manage these bookings using CRUD operations. So the requirements are for this question we have to create a booking system for teachers to book classroom equipment. So for the first thing, we have to use SQL database for MySQL database for this system. So for the first thing, we have to download XAMPP. So XAMPP over here. Then we have to start MySQL and Apache over here. So after that, we have to create a database. We have to create a database so that the data input by the teachers are saved in the database. So for the first, we have to go from admin and we go to this page, and we can simply uh, go to database and we can simply give a name which is booking system. Uh, Sorry, booking system, like that, to create a database. After that, we have to input the tables. So we are already created the database which is over here with booking system, and we have table name booking. So if you go to booking system, we can see we have a table name bookings, and you can see here all the all the things, the names, all the things in the tables over here, which is ID, teacher name, equipment, booking date, and time slot. So after we created this, we have to do the Python coding. So after that, we have to go to Python, and we can simply type import tkinter stk. From tkinter, import ttk message box, import mysql.connector from date and time. This is very important for this coding to be work. So after that, first in Python, we have to connect the Python to the database. So for that, we have to use this coding, which is we have to use this coding lah, which is written mysql.connector.connect, and we have to mention the host, user, password, and database. So this must be correct. If not, the program will show an error. So first, host name is localhost. After that, user root. For the password, we just leave it there. We just give it a null. After that, we have database, which is booking system. Because we name the database booking system over here. Yeah, you can see here. So we have to mention the database over here. So after that, so as we did the coding, this is the interface of our booking system. So I'll give to my other teammates to explain more about this. Thank you.
Hi, my dear lecturer. Today I would like to present about our PBT 2, and now I would like to show what we have done uh, regarding with this PBT 2, and this is our uh, coding and our output for our PBT, and these are the equipment booking system. So first about the book details, and where we have insert the teachers and equipment, date, time slot, and with the buttons given, and these are the inputs are given in the previous data over here. And for the first, I would like to explain about the teacher label, how we have done to this coding over here. And this is the coding where it shows this the label, and we have labeled the name as teacher, and the position of where we're going to add on this given output over here. And this is the row, column, and which place, which size we are going to add on. And same goes to the equipment. Also we just insert same as the teachers, where this is the label, where it name as equipment, and the row column is the row 1 is after teacher. And for this combo box we added over here, we have a few wordings we added on this combo box over here. That is the project, laptop and microphone, where we have inserted over here the value, and it is state as read only. And the position where we have inserted is row 1 column 1 and pix 5 and pix y is 2. And next I would like to explain about the date, where this the label, uh, same as we have done for teachers and equipment, and the date is shown as date, and the position for year, month and date. And these are the uh, rows and columns that is after the teachers and equipment. And for the entry date is same as we have shown over here. And now I'd like to explain how we going to insert the date if there's an error. And first up, if the teachers equip date and slot, this is the verification or that shows the error over here. The message box is the date must be the position that we have we already prepared over here, shown over here. And this is the database error over here. And now I would like to show an example of how it works. And now, for example, the date we Dave, the teacher name is Dave, and we have selected laptop. And the year, for example, if just insert with the wrong way, like 3 in 2005, and we said morning, and if we add it, the date must be, the word is shown over here, it will pop out, the date must be this type of date, month and year we should insert over here. And yeah, this is what I'm going to show about. And for the further informations, my teammates would like to explain in the next. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Appar and I'll be presenting our project. So I'm going to present about our time slot. So for time slot, we have morning, afternoon, and evening as our option, and we used radio button for those options. As you can see over here, this is the coding. We have 3 inputs, which is morning, afternoon, and evening, and then we added row and column in order to keep those buttons aligned, so it's not all messy. And that is for the radio buttons. And for the next for the add and update button, we added the buttons over here, which is just a normal button. We added the button and added the pad X in order to keep it aligned as well. And the function for those buttons are over here. First, we're going to look at the add button. So the coding is just explaining that which is going to add those, when you type in the information, it's going to add it into the database. That's what it says over here in the coding. And for the update, it's going to collect the data that you updated and then update into the database. And if you failed, it's going to say that validation all fields are required. And we have another one, if you fail to put your date in correctly, it's going to give you this error. So I'm just going to demonstrate you how it's done. So this is the data that we have for now. I'm going to change it for you. I'm just going to add. Okay, I added that, and I'm going to change this to projector, and then I'm going to change it to afternoon. When I click on update, it's going to update it on the database. And so that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kirsheen, another KONCHAM NARAYANAN. So today I am going to explain about the delete and clear button. So this is the button clear, code button clear and delete. So delete booking, here's the coding. As you can see, the coding is here. Then I'm going to show you about how to delete and clear. So if you put any name, then I take time slot afternoon, so it will update here. So if you want to delete, you can press delete. It will show delete this booking. Then just say yes, so it will delete. If clear means if you put your name, any project or anything, so I put morning means you can clear it, all will clear. Thank you.